Yeah, hello, amazing customers. We are working in Kumasi, Kochi, but fortunately, the house owner is outside the country, you see. But look at how we have taken our time and do a very beautiful design for this customer. Kindly watch this video from now to the end and know the cost of the material, the cost of the workmanship, and how many bags of cement that you have involved so far. Let's go. Yeah, hello, amazing customers. This customer is not here in Ghana, he is outside the country, you see. And as for this job, the customer no involve any foreman or any engineer. But just look at how we are taking our time and do a very beautiful design for this customer, you see. I always say that if you are in Ghana or you are not here, you should take an time and do a very beautiful job for you because of that be how my life day. Everything I do, it must from my heart inside, you see. I have to take my time and do the thing beautiful so that when I'm done, I'll be happy for what I do for the customer. When I'm taking my videos, you to also confirm that the thing it looks so nice and beautiful, you see. So sometimes ago, this customer have watched one of my video that I did to a customer in Kumasi, Abripo, and call me, so Steven, the work we do for a Abripo woman and do the same thing for me, you see. So I came here and I take the measurement. So after the measurement, the customer tell me that, Steven, I want you to do the side, you see, the side and the side for my building now. May down for be only the gray color, you see, only the gray color for me. But later, but my boss, you know, you see, the boss here, no, it might be the red, the miss colors. Also, boss, you are good to go. You do the same thing for you. So that be why the side no is pure gray color, you see. That be as for this job, I involve the gray color 6 to 7 Kia and the red one like 3 Kia truck, you see, because the gray have to be more than the red one, you understand me. You see, because when the base on the color is about the color that you really want, you see. So because I have to do the job for your heart feeling, pepe, you see. So as the work is going on, I share the picture with the customer and he's so happy that what he told me that be what we are doing, pepe, you see. So we started this contract with a 10 Kia truck, you see, and that 10 Kia cost this customer a 30,000 Ghana cedis. Cause one Kia truck is 3,000 to Kumasi, Kochi, you see. So 3,000 times 10 will give you a 30,000 Ghana cedi, you see. So after that, we have involved the stone cutters, you see, the stone cutter that have cut the stones to this as way, and them to then take 15,000 for the 10. That means they cut one Kia for 1,500, so the 10 will be 15,000 Ghana cedis, you see. So that means the stone material and the cutting is 45,000 Ghana cedis, you see, for this job. And I also charge this contract for 30,000 Ghana cedis, you see. But later, me and the customer you bargain and you based on a price before we start installation, you see. So that way I will always saying that if you want to give us a contract, let us come to your location and take the measurement and give you the location and give you the cost of everything, and back about the workmanship, and we do a very beautiful job for you, you see. Job for you, cause even if you like your workmanship money is not plenty and on a sunny day, I will surely do the work for you, pepe. You see the work, so nice and beautiful, you see, so nice and beautiful, you see. Stepping stone design always taking time and do a very beautiful, you see. This be how I do my job, you see, so nice and beautiful. So whatever it is you located, just give us a call. You'll come to your location and do a very beautiful job for you on how you see them right now, you see. Nice one. You see, pepe. When you take a look of this design here, you see, you look here, you see, they are the same thing, the same color, you see. And one secret about this way be say, I let one person do here and the same person do here also, you see. As you are down the side and side before, I involve more guys for the side, you understand me. So that the side and side must be in uniform, so that we use only the gray for the side and side, you see. So nice and beautiful, you see, so nice and beautiful, as you can see, you see. So as for this contract, I think I do one mistake, you see. The mistake is I wrote 40 bags of cement on the paper, you see, and already we have used 40 bags or so. We have used like 40 bags of cement almost already, because now it left like 7 bags of cement that will not be enough to cover. That will not be enough to cover the other side, you see. So that means this job will need like up to 70 bags of cement, you see. So I'm sure that as for the cement, you actually involve like 30 bags extra, you see. Because sometimes the work, because here may be hanging, you see, hanging to chop a lot of cement, you see. You see, because of here you have to hang the stones, before the installation, you see. So the beginning, now you have to involve the cement more. The cement have to be rich, you see, before and a concrete needs, you see. Say here the color be different than here. That be how the customer want the work to be done, you understand me. So nice and beautiful, you see. So nice and beautiful, as you can see. So whatever they give us a call, you see. About the colors, if in case you want some color like this, let us know. If you want only the gray one, to let us know. Everything you want, you will get on pepe. The name is Steven Stone Design. Steven the Stone Designer, #1 in Ghana. You see, so whatever it is, give us your call. We work across the country, as you can see. You see, so subscribe to my YouTube channels and be watching my video day after day. You see, we always take an time and do a very beautiful design for all my customers around the country. Give us a call, whatever it is. Give us a call. But if the customer lay, they flash over the back second, like, you know, we bad though. Maybe all the back, you know, the flat stones now, so that that place, you know, no paint is biasa. So whatever it is, give us a call. Baby, I'll be to San Francisco Stevenson design. Juma Pioneer. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.